you guys doing today?
Good, how are you, sir?
Good.
Do you guys have steel targets here?
No steel.
Hi. Say hi. Hi, cutie. Have fun.
Standpoint when we're selling 50, 60 guns a day.
Dude, this is amazing. They have a Cal Barrett, 15 grand.